To Spain. Hush.
Alright, y'all, I took the grills out of the bumper, and those gotta get painted like the interior. So boom. Oh my god, it looks mean without it though. Seeing all that shit inside. But then when you put the green, and then I got some more stuff that I want to put on, it's gonna look nice. So I'm about to get those painted, primed and painted, like literally light prime, and then paint. So it should be pretty decent, simple, and we'll be back. Alright, so those are deep, like not deeply primed, but decently primed, and then I'm about to start priming this. I gotta go around with a rag and take all the dust off first, and then I'm gonna just start priming this shit. So stay tuned to that. I'm about to just take all the dust off, like literally look. So you look at my finger, it's already like dirty, like bro, my hands are dusty as shit, but look at that, you can see the line too, and look at that, boom. So I gotta take all that off. What? You hear that? It's smooth. That's how you know it's smooth though. And then you could go over what's rough and etc. But I think I got most of it. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Like you see, all that dust came off, and then all that rust started showing. And that was only by hand. Dusty ass shit. Look at this. Alright, I don't want to get copyright. I might have to. I don't know. So I'm gonna keep doing this and be back. So look at that, all that dust. I shouldn't have done this hood first. It's okay. Alright, I'm bogus for the middle, but the other parts was decent. The middle, that paint was just fucking different. But this part came out good, decent, and then this really looks like a tuner's Honda now. I look, you missed spots too, but it really looks like a tuner's Honda now. Should I just leave? Okay. Y'all gonna see how it turns out. It's gonna look decent though, I'm not gonna lie. And then you see how different that freaking paint is. Yeah, whatever. It's all gonna get fucked up anyways, I guarantee it. Look at that. That's good. Alright, so I'm gonna continue to paint everything. I'm about to paint that green, and then I'm about to start painting this, I guess. I don't know yet. Can I start painting that? I think I could start painting. But I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more. So just stay in tune to what I do, I guess. I don't know. Alright, y'all. I told y'all I primed it. They're gonna be mad at me for how I do this. But look at what we got again. This is actually the car that I originally had the idea for. I was just testing it out on the G, and obviously it worked so good. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to get the coat in this mug, but I'm using, instead of the spray, because I put in a Harbor Freight thing and I sprayed the whole thing. Do like a couple coats. Instead of that, I'm doing this time because I figured I could probably try to get it smoother and, like, I don't know, more coats maybe. So I figured, why not? And that's like the way that this actually intends for it to be done, is with brushes and rollers. So to be honest, I don't know if y'all see that B on there. Look at that. That's what I get all day. But to be honest, I think it would come out smoother, since like, bro, why? Anyways, I think it'll come out smoother since it's getting rolled on, and like I'm gonna try to be even with it, do a couple coats, and then, you feel me? So just staying tuned to what I do. I'm kind of like going against automotive painting and all that, but I don't give a fuck right now. So I'm probably keep the camera right there for you guys, and just record me fucking this car up. So just stay in tune, I guess. So yes sir.
Like ever since I told you this nigga do acting different. And now the niggas saying, man, he helped me trapping niggas. Playing with niggas' emotions like they some action figures. Sweating and raining from the ladder. It's like extortion. Man, that bitch really pregnant, tell her get it, abortion. But what about your feet, nigga? What about your feet, nigga? What about your feet? And I ain't too proud to tell you that I cry sometimes about it. And I ain't too proud to tell you that I cry sometimes. Love y'all. Love y'all. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heartbeat and fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas fast, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he a ride. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. Tell me mama please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain brought you still nigga in your mind. Cause pain still niggas on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Think being broke is better, like that's better than yours. No such thing as like that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, like that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always invite them home. Think being broke is better. Now I don't mean that phrasing no disrespect. It's all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimum checks.
Alright, we are back. And after y'all see me starting to paint it, here is the result. This has actually been rained on, I think multiple times. So it's a little bit dusty, I don't know. But nothing's coming off. But obviously it got dirty, look. You can see the raindrops right here. Raindrop, drop top. but it's not doing anything to it. Look, and I'll scratch it a little bit. So I might have to just like shoot it with another coat or whatever, and I still got to do the top, which I'm going to do at this moment. I'm like, birds are shitting on it and shit. Fucked. Okay, that's cool. And after that I have to probably go around the whole thing over. We'll give it one more coat. So now I probably have to like wipe it all down and then give it one more coat, and then coat up some extra stuff. There's fucking mosquitoes everywhere over here, so I'm probably gonna have to get some bug spray. But it doesn't look that bad. Like, and I can't wait until I'm gonna wait another like 2 days. So like, it's Wednesday today, so Friday, to be able to write on all of it. Damn, it looks so good. And then I'm leaving this like this. I need to low-key order the clear coat for Friday. I'll just order it today, order the clear coat for this part, and I gotta sand it down and finish it. So basically the car's gonna get probably finished and put together within the next couple of days, so that I could just at least take it to my first meet or whatever. And yeah, so I'll probably try to grab it and take it to the meet, and shit, I don't know. So just stay tuned to the channel and see what happens, I guess, and we'll be right back. And I don't know. Alright, y'all, for the finish sanding the top of this, I gotta sand it one more time. And then the last time I did it with like 100 grit or something. Sand it down with a brick. Then like to get it more white. I wipe it down. Doing a whole car with this shit is harder than I fucking thought. Let's down every fucking thing. I don't want to waste too much. After a minute. Alright, y'all, so I just shook the fuck out of this up. Low-key, probably gonna scoop my car up a little bit, because I'm right under leaves and I don't know what the fuck they're flinging and shit. But I got my chalkboard paint here. You see it right here. Boom, got my chalkboard paint. So that's what this is going. And low-key, I was gonna fucking do the same thing that I did with the rest of it, and put it in the little thing and then roll it and do that. But now I'm gonna just drip it on the car, and then I'm gonna just y'all gonna see. I'm gonna do it the ghetto way, cause I can't. Shh, don't tell nobody. See the glove? So the first coat. Alright, it's drying pretty smooth. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's drying right there. Here's another dry spot. It's only the first coat, so it's supposed to look like that. Alright, y'all, I'm about to add that little bar that goes across. I don't want to get copyright, but I have done like 3 coats on all this, and then 3 coats on the roof. Got some coats on the top and under here. And then this is all going clear. Bingo, bingo, bango.